Hello guys, here it is, the figure printed, and now it's just ready to start painting. And as you can see here, we got the dragons on the body, so I printed all in one piece, so just the base is aside, but the rest you can see it's a naked version. Let's go here on the back, and as you can see there is so lots of details. And this one I'm going to paint on my Patreon, and you can see this on my Patreon, of course. So this is a bonus for this month, and you can see Daenerys Targaryen. This is 140 millimeters. Okay, so this week I will start painting this. So just to show you the results of this, and I think it's awesome. Bye guys.